welcome back to my channels. Today is another exciting day. Today is 8th of October and today we are going to Chorul Dam and we have decided to do boating over here, explore places nearby and let's see what's in store for us and I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, you know what? हम लोग सुबह से I was figuring out I did my house chores and everything and I was figuring okay ये पहले गूगल पहले बोल ले हाँ so we were figuring out कि हमें कहाँ जाना है and कहाँ नहीं जाना है. So I called n number of places and due to COVID restrictions most of the places were closed in Indore. The properties were open but they did not allow pool access or any other activities over there. So finally we found and we discovered that there's a place called Chorul Dam. It's around a 1 hour distance from my place and 30 kilometers from the center of Indore. I literally love this view. हम लोग कहीं पे भी जाते हैं इंदौर से basically most of the time we have to cross this route. It's very beautiful. And this guy is always busy. क्या बोल रहे थे तुम? अभी क्या बोल रहे थे फिर से बोलो. नहीं बोलो ना.
रिकॉर्ड कर दिया?
नहीं रिकॉर्ड किया है. अभी स्टार्ट किया है. नहीं बोलो फिर से बोलो जो बोलो. नहीं अब बोलो. अब कैमरा ऑन हुआ तो अब बोलो ना.
मैं क्या बोलूं?
नहीं बोलो जो
तूने मुझे दुखी करा है.
अच्छा मैंने दुखी किया है
तो?
अच्छा एक मिनट क्या किया है मैंने तुम्हारे साथ?
बहुत चीजें करी.
क्या किया है?
बहुत चीजें करी.
अच्छा क्या?
मैं बहुत चीजें करी.
अच्छा नहीं बताओ ना क्या किया.
अपने ऊपर जो बीती है मैं क्यों बताऊं लोगों को पब्लिकली?
क्यों नहीं बताओगे?
प्रताड़ित किया है.
अच्छा प्रताड़ित किया है. बाप रे इसका मतलब क्या होता है वैसे?
प्रताड़ित मतलब मेरे को
टॉर्चर किया है. अच्छा
टॉर्चर करती है मेरी बीवी.
अच्छा क्या टॉर्चर करती है?
टॉर्च है मेरी बीवी.
पागल.
टॉर्चर
Yes, see, you know what? हम लोग सुबह से we are just fighting on little things because you know we are so completely opposite personalities. We were the actual strangers 1.5 years back. We met each other on shaadi.com and then we were just continuously okay सर हिंदी में बात करनी है. हाँ तो हम लोग हमेशा चैट करते रहते थे, कॉल करते रहते थे, वीडियो कॉल्स पे बातें करते रहते थे बिकॉज कोविड था तो हम मिल नहीं सकते थे. And I was living near Calcutta and he was living in Indore around 1800 kilometers. So it was not possible to meet each other. And COVID भी था तो we preferred connecting with each other over WhatsApp and video calls. So yeah, once we met and then we got married within a few months. Now life is different after my wedding. Earlier I was a carefree independent girl. Now also I'm very carefree, very independent but with responsibilities. And yeah, we are completely opposite personalities. मुझे घूमना फिरना बहुत पसंद है. I love to explore and travel. And he is this lad who is hustling 6 days a week and then he wants to chill on the 7th day, sit at home, have his chicken pakoras, watch some shows on Netflix and chill and relax. So and he's मेरे को आज relax करने था. He's no, you have to go out and हमें घूमने जाना ही है, कहीं ना कहीं जाना ही है. And at the end of the day he has to listen to his wife because the wife is always right because he is working 6 days a week and if he doesn't go out.
Wife is always not right.
अच्छा she is right.
Wife is akdu.
मैं akdu. I am always laughing and I am always smiling and I am akdu. You are akdu. You are akdu. No, कोई wife नहीं. Stop generalizing. He is akdu. I am not. So on the way to Chorul Dam, we are crossing this beautiful route. ये माऊ का military camp area है and we have crossed this path so many times. It's all army base camp and the canteens and the hostels and the training areas. guys, I have subscribed to Meal Slab Daily Meals. So this is my lunch. Time नहीं था खाने का, so I thought of eating it on the way. So they have sent me the Surat meal, some sabzi, palhar and some rotis. I don't know what it is made up of. I have to ask my dietitian. And you can see beautiful hills on the way. We have reached the Coral Resort. I think it's managed by Madhya Pradesh Tourism. So we have just come here for boating and enjoying the view. Then we'll be going to some other properties. This is the restaurant. My husband is super hungry, so he'll be eating something, and then we'll do boating, and then we'll leave for another resort where we'll be swimming and doing other stuff. You can see the view. That's the dam area, and there we are going to do boating. Guys, हमारा पोपट हो गया. हम घर पे हम दोनों जन अपना अपना वॉलेट भूल गए and we are not even carrying any cash or card. And I just asked the reception that whether
मैं क्यों घूम रही है सर?
जबरदम बकवास ना करो फालतू की. So and we have forgotten our wallet and everything. क्यों disturb करो बार बार? So we have forgotten our wallet, and so then I got so worried, and then I went to the reception and I asked whether they'll accept any online payments for boating and for the restaurant bill. So they were very sweet enough. They said that they don't accept anything other than cash or credit card. But they said that they'll do payment from their card and we'll transfer them through Google Pay. So this guy, the boating guys, told me कि minimum 3 लोग boat पे रहने चाहिए and you have to pay for 3 people and maximum 5. So we are just the 2 of us and then there's no one else. खाना आ गया and we have just ordered plain fried rice, veg fried rice and chili paneer because नवरात्रे चल रहे हैं, so this guy will not eat non-veg. मैं तो हूँ ही प्योर वेजिटेरियन. And now we are heading to boating. Guys, I would suggest यहाँ पे खाना एकदम मत खाना. Just come here for boating because the food was so bad. We left it as it was. Now I hope the weather is good so we'll enjoy the boating. And then we'll head to another property for swimming and for chilling out and spending a day. मेरा पति मुझे अकेला छोड़ के चला गया है because I have to shoot also and he can't wait. Hello. अच्छा, क्या सेटिंग की मेरे को गिराने की? तो शादी क्यों की? मेरे को मरवाना है तो.
लाइफ जैकेट है.
आई नो स्विमिंग. लाइफ जैकेट पहना रहा है. अभी हम लोग जस्ट 5 मिनट पहले बहुत लड़ाई की हमने. ये बोटिंग वाले भैया से इसने सेटिंग किया मुझे बीच में गिरा देने के लिए, बट ही डजंट नो दैट आई नो स्विमिंग.
आ जाऊँ. आऊँ?
तुम पहले मैं बैठूंगी. पकड़ो मेरे को. भैया इधर से, मम्मी 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 मम्मी, गोलू आओ आओ।
ये क्या बना हुआ भैया? हाँ
क्या बना भैया?
रूम है।
जो कॉटेजेस हैं, रूम्स हैं, होटल है। ओके सो देयर इज दिस।
क्या है ये? क्या है
ये तो
क्या?
मछली वालों का है, मछली के बच्चे छोड़ रखो।
अच्छा इन लोगों ने।
Place whenever this rope ladder. So how is the view from the top? क्या कर रहे हो? नीचे आओ ना, और भी जाना है।
पेड़ पे चढ़ जाओ।
हाँ चढ़ जाओ। आ रहे हो कि नहीं नीचे? मुझे घर पहुंचा दो, फिर तुमको जिस भी पेड़ पे जाना है चले जाओ। मोगली हो क्या? क्या है? किसके लिए?
फूल के लिए।
Sweet guys, he's so sweet. He gave me this, and I get so happy.
ये वाला? हाँ बस एक ही चक्कर। 40 नंबर 40 डालना है ना।
हमारी कार में पेट्रोल नहीं, हमारी कार की टायर की हवा चली गई। लकीली रिजॉर्ट के बाहर ही वी फाउंड अ पंप स्टेशन वेयर यू कैन गेट योर टायर।
पंप स्टेशन का नाम क्या है? तानिया पंचर।
चुप रहो, कुछ भी मत बोलो।
सही में लिखा है, पढ़ो आप।
हाँ, अभी इसने बंदर जैसे उस पे चढ़ा एंड नाउ we both are very sweaty right now. Now we are heading to another resort where we will take a dip in the pool, chill over there, relax for some time, and then अगर हमें टाइम मिला तो we'll go for a movie, otherwise we'll postpone it for tomorrow. So let's see क्या क्या करते हैं हम आज। So for now चोरल रिजॉर्ट का मेरा रिव्यू ये है कि if you are just coming or passing by this area, you can just go here and go for boating. Otherwise यहाँ पे कुछ उतना ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग है नहीं। The food was also not that good. और अभी हम जो न्यू प्रॉपर्टी में जा रहे हैं उसको विज़िट करते हैं, उसका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं आप लोगों के साथ। नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन विच इज़ द रॉयल सफायर रिजॉर्ट। ये पता नहीं कौन सी ऑफबीट लोकेशन है। वी आर जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग। सुबह तक हमें पता नहीं था हमें कहाँ जाना है, एंड राइट नाउ वी आर हियर।
अंदर गाड़ी।
ही इज नाउ वेरी एंग्री क्योंकि चिप्स का ढक्कन ठीक से बंद नहीं किया था, पूरी कार में गिर गया। ही इज सो एंग्री नाउ। यू नो इट। इसको तो हर चीज़ मेरे से ही पूछनी होती। सो वी हैव रीच्ड अ न्यू प्रॉपर्टी एंड अब हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा देर चिल करेंगे, रिलैक्स करेंगे। गार्डन एरिया एंड they have a nice pool area. I like it. So this is the poolside bar area which is not functional yet because abhi COVID restrictions release हुए हैं. And here is my tea. Wherever I go I need to have it. So we are done with the pool and all the fun. So we are leaving now and it's about sunset. It's looking so beautiful and it's so peaceful out here. And they have this restaurant dining area and they have This is the sports complex. You have all the facilities over here like badminton, table tennis. Now it's shut down because of COVID, so I'm unable to show you.
Hi everyone. So now my wife is driving. You can see her.
Hi guys.
She's driving well.
I'm driving very nice.
She's a very bakwas driver, you know.
चुप रहो.
Why chup bro?
तुम चुप रहो.
Why chup bro?
So we have taken a pit stop and he's having his baked samosa and I'll have tea, and then we'll decide where we want to go ahead. So we are on the highway and we have taken a pit stop at the shop. Guys, चाय का समय हो गया है. मेरे अब तो चलता नहीं है चाय के बिना. Like literally I want tea in an interval of 3 to 4 hours.